Good morning, children. This is Francis Sir is going to teach you English literature of class 2. The topic is Nikhil in Trouble part 2. So, as we learned in part 1 that Nikhil went to Hyderabad to meet his uncle Sunit. His uncle Sunit was very jolly man and told many exciting stories. So one day Nikhil went to see the statue of Buddha which was standing in the middle of the lake called Hussain Sagar. As he was walking along the tank burned beside he saw an old man. The old man was sitting near a lamp post and groaning with pain. So he asked, "What's the matter? Why are you groaning like this?" The old man said that he hurt his leg as he fell off his cart and hurt his leg on the pavement, and one of his bullock broke its rope and ran off. So he asked what to do. So now I'm going to explain you the part 2 of the topic Nikhil in Trouble. "I will help you," said Nikhil. "Which way did it go?" "It ran down the way along the road," said the old man. So Nikhil asked the old man which way did it go, and he ran. The old man said that it ran down the way along the road. So Nikhil ran off the road. He ran a long way and then he came to a fruit stall. It was a stall on wheels. The fruit seller was nowhere to be seen. There was the bullock. It was eating bananas off the fruit stall. So Nikhil ran down the road. He ran a long way and he came across a fruit stall. A fruit stall was on wheel. He saw there was no fruit seller standing. There was a bullock. It was eating bananas from the fruit stall. Nikhil caught hold of the rope and pulled the bullock along. As Nikhil returned along the road, he heard a shout, "Stop thief, stop thief." So Nikhil, what he did, he caught hold the rope and pulled the bullock along. And he heard a shout, "Stop thief, stop thief." He turned around and there was the fruit seller running towards him. Nikhil was frightened. So as he turned round, he saw the fruit seller was running towards him and he got frightened. He started to run too as fast as he could, dragging the bullock behind him. So he also started to run as fast as he could, dragging the bullock behind him. Soon other people started chasing him, and there was a policeman with a long mustache and a lathi running after him too. So soon other people started chasing him, and there was also a policeman with a long mustache and a lathi running after him too. The fruit seller shouted. Nikhil ran. The bullock was pulled along. The crowd caught up with Nikhil and the bullock. So the fruit seller shouted, but still Nikhil ran. The bullock was pulled along. So the crowd caught Nikhil and the bullock. Nikhil was soon at the lamppost, and there was the old man sitting under the lamppost. So where Nikhil got caught, he was standing near the lamppost, and there was the old man sitting near the lamppost. The policeman was angry, but the old man explained. The policeman, the fruit seller, and the others soon went away. So the policeman was angry, but the old man explained everything, and the policeman and the fruit seller and others went away soon. The old man took Nikhil on the cart to his uncle's house. In the evening, Nikhil told Uncle Sunit about the old man and the bullock. "Luckily, I wrote to your mother this morning," laughed Uncle Sunit. Now I'm giving you the worksheet. Nikhil in Trouble Part 2. Worksheet. Number 1. Learn the word meaning of the following words. Matter. Trouble or difficulty. Stall. A small shop. Trouble. Anything that causes difficulty or worry. Answer the following question. What did the bullocks do? Why did the crowd chase Nickel? What do you think Uncle Sunit told Nickel's parents? Thank you, children.